My name's Katie Stevenson. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Groundwork Wales, and we deliver the Valleys Regional Park Guardian Scheme as part of the wider Valleys Regional Park programme. The Guardian Scheme is all about connecting people with their local landscape and supporting them to upskill, to improve their well-being and to help look after the amazing environment that we have here in the valleys.
The volunteers here today in Dare Valley Country Park are fixing and working on putting in a new footbridge. People of a variety of backgrounds, from 16-year-olds right through to 70-year-olds. They wanted to be outdoors and they wanted to give something back to the local environment. They've always got a smile on their face, even when it's raining, and they just want to do their nickel bit for the local environment, really.
I've been coming for a few weeks, but I've enjoyed it so far. You're outdoors and you're socialising. Plus, I mean, it's really pretty in the area. It's really nice to be outside, and there's a castle down there. It's really nice here, so whatever you're doing, it's just fun.
One of the unique things about the valleys is you have these vibrant, strong communities in very close proximity to the majestic sort of natural landscape that you find in the valleys. So there's huge potential for people to connect with those landscapes for their health and well-being, for economic prosperity, and a whole range of other benefits. So the Valleys Regional Park as a partnership is here to try to facilitate a collaborative approach to how we manage that landscape, how we promote the benefits of that landscape, and how we get people interacting with that landscape in all sorts of ways. One of the ways we're facilitating that is through the excellent Valleys Regional Park Guardian Scheme, which is delivered by Groundwork Wales. They go into these sites and they help explore and develop opportunities around volunteering and education. Had the privilege today of seeing them at work in Cyfarthfa Primary School, where they're working on the big box void scheme, helping the children to clear growing beds and growing things like onions and lettuce and strawberries.
Onions! If they weren't here right now, we'd probably just be in class, but we had the opportunity to come out here and plant some really fun stuff.
It's just something about getting out of the ground, it's just satisfying.
When I know they've been fully planted, I'm going to feel like proud, because that's a lot of food not wasted and going to hungry children.
And you can just see by the reaction of the children how much they get out of it. The hands-on experience of working outdoors, working with the guardians, raising their levels of eco-literacy, as we call it, but more importantly, getting their hands dirty, getting involved, and having a great time as well, as I've witnessed firsthand today.